Grey Beetle, and I'm going to be showing you how to use my creative mode currency system. I am on my server just to demonstrate the use cases of this. Because you might not think having currency in creative mode will be very useful, as you have infinite resources. A couple of things I've used the currency for here is, here's a little stand where I will build people redstone or command block contraptions. And here is a parkour course I've made. So you pay a coin, then you can just go up here. Oh, I think I missed that. If you got up here, you'd get a coin, your money back, and then you just have to you just have to go up here and you'll get an extra 10 coins, or 20 actually. Another person on this server has made a little PvP arena where you bet on you pretty much bet on who's gonna win. So there are definitely quite a few uses for a creative mode currency, and obviously using a normal item wouldn't work. Like if I used a dragon egg as the currency, because you have to have commands to get that. Anyone can just duplicate infinite amounts by pressing middle click. This is a Datapack. If you don't know how to install one of those, just Google it. There are plenty of tutorials. When you first load up the Datapack, or if someone else has loaded it up when you first join the server, you will receive this message. You will have 50 coins. So you start with 50 coins. If you run the command that is shown there, you will get your wallet, which is the main way you will manage your coins. You have 50 coins, as you can see. That's how you check your coins. And if you want to actually use this as a currency instead of, just owning 50 coins, you'll need to pay people stuff. So for that, I'll get my ult on to quickly demonstrate this. So I've logged my ult on. If I just see him here, I can pay money to them, and if I go over to that one, you can see I have received 10 coins. The other way, if you don't want to constantly stand beside your shop, is to create a payment station. There are 3 types of payment stations. There's the basic one, which you can put coins into it, and now there's some coins in it which I could come and take out with this account. There is and then there are 2 types of redstone payment stations: input and output. The output payment station will pay an amount of coins from the payment station to the nearest player. So you put coins in it, then you specify how many coins you want it to give out. I'll go for 10. Then, when you power it, it will give that amount of coins to the nearest player. And there's the input payment station. Try to stand as close to the center of a block as you can when you create payment stations. The input payment station will, if you take a comparator output from it, output a redstone redstone signal strength of either 1, 2, or 3, depending on how much money you put into it. If I put in 1 coin, you can see signal strength of 1. If I put in 10, a signal strength of 2. And if I just quickly give myself, I'll just go over to Grey Beetle and then I take all my money out of here. I should be able to put 100 coins in. Yes, that is a signal strength of 3. Oh, that's weird. Whatever. How much money is in here? Did I not have 100? I only had 90. Maybe I left 10 in one of the other payment stations. Anyway, that's how that works. The other thing is inflation. If you're an operator, then you may want there to be a constantly increasing amount of money in the server's economy. So to do that, you'll want to give yourself the tag currency OP. I already did that. You can see I have that tag already. And then you can, 2 more triggers will show up: inflation amount and inflation time. Inflation time is in minutes, how the gap you want there to be between inflation amount. So if I set this to 1, every minute it will give me 5 coins. But if I don't want it to be 5 coins, say I want it to give me 1 coin every minute, I can set that to 1. By default, it will give you 5 coins every 30 minutes. Yeah. So, depending on the amount of players on your server, you may want to change that, or it gives everyone 5 coins every 30 minutes. So if you have a server with like 20 players on it, you probably want it to be much less. But maybe if you have a server with 3 or 4 players, you might want to leave it at the default. Yeah, I think that's everything. I hope you found that helpful. Goodbye.